Carl. This is Mason. We're with McMichael Waste. Today we're in Wellington. We're pumping out a tank on a house that's just been remodeled. This tank is pretty clean compared to some of the other tanks we've done. They're usually a lot rougher. They usually have a lot of sludge on them or in them. This one's not too bad, doesn't stink too bad. We have a Kubota little mini track hoe. That's usually all we need. Sometimes these tanks will have risers on them, which is super easy for us because we just bring a drill, shoot up the lid, pull the lid, pump the tank. But this one, they actually had it dug up for us, so it wasn't too bad. But the machine makes it handy to pick up these lids because the lids are about 300, 400 pounds a piece. These are about 1,000-gallon tanks usually. Every now and then we get more, every now and then we get less. But usually the roundabout is about 1,000. The process, if we have to dig it, what would you think?
If we have to locate and dig it, it's probably about an hour, hour and a half.
An hour, hour and a half. As far as pumping the tank itself, it usually takes 20 minutes, give or take. If we're uphill, it's gonna take a little longer because it's gotta suck it uphill. If we have more hoses stretched out, obviously, it's got more area it's gotta cover, so it'll take a little longer, but usually 20, 30 minutes pumping the tank. The entire process usually takes about an hour, hour and a half, depending on the situation.
How nasty do y'all get?
We keep a change of clothes in every vehicle.
What?
Change of shoes, change of clothes, because it can get rough. Sometimes these hoses don't want to come apart, don't want to come off the truck, and then when they do, they let you know that they didn't want to. So you get pretty messy, pretty stinky. The wives at home usually aren't happy when we get home.